Ever dreamt of running your own online store? Imagine a world where you don't have to deal with pesky inventory, shipping nightmares, or overflowing warehouses. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Well, that's the promise of dropshipping. But with so many dropshipping platforms out there, is AliDropship the golden ticket to e-commerce success? Let's face it, sifting through endless options can be overwhelming. You see testimonials boasting overnight riches, gurus claiming dropshipping is the ultimate get-rich-quick scheme. But is the reality quite so rosy? Buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into AliDropship, dissecting its pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right fit for your entrepreneurial journey. AliDropship, a one-stop shop for dropshipping? AliDropship positions itself as a comprehensive dropshipping solution. They offer pre-built online stores, product sourcing from AliExpress, a popular Chinese online retailer, and marketing tools, all rolled into one neat package. Sounds convenient, doesn't it? But before you hit that buy now button, let's explore the good, the bad, and the ugly of AliDropship. The good, hitting the ground running. There's no denying the appeal of a pre-built store. AliDropship boasts a library of trendy, ready-to-go online stores across various niches. This can be a massive time saver, especially for beginners who might lack web design expertise. Imagine skipping the website development phase and focusing solely on marketing and sales. That's the beauty of a pre-built store. Furthermore, AliDropship integrates seamlessly with AliExpress, a giant marketplace overflowing with potential products. Finding trendy items to stock your virtual shelves becomes a breeze. No more scouring the web for reliable suppliers. AliDropship simplifies product sourcing, potentially saving you hours of research. But wait, there's more. AliDropship throws in some marketing tools to sweeten the deal. Plugins for social media integration, email marketing, and abandoned cart recovery are all part of the package, depending on the plan you choose. This can be a great starting point for those new to the world of online marketing. The bad, the not-so-hidden costs. While the pre-built stores and AliExpress integration sound tempting, there are some hidden costs to consider. The base price of an AliDropship store might seem reasonable, but it's just the tip of the iceberg. Themes, plugins, and additional features often come at an extra cost. Remember, a website needs constant maintenance and updates. Factor in ongoing fees for these services. Here's another thing to keep in mind. The pre-built stores, while convenient, might lack the unique touch that sets your brand apart. Customization options are often limited, which means your store might look eerily similar to others using the same AliDropship template. Standing out in a crowded online marketplace can be tough with a generic storefront. The marketing tools offered might seem like a bonus, but their effectiveness is debatable. Basic features are included, but advanced functionalities often require additional investment. For serious marketing efforts, you might need to integrate external tools, adding to the overall cost. The ugly. The dropshipping dilemma. Let's address the elephant in the room, the inherent challenges of dropshipping. While AliDropship streamlines the process, it doesn't eliminate the core issues. Here's the harsh truth. Profit margins in dropshipping tend to be razor thin. You'll likely be competing with other dropshippers selling the same AliExpress products, leading to price wars. Furthermore, you have little control over product quality, shipping times, or customer service. A bad experience with any of these can damage your brand reputation, leading to negative reviews and lost sales. Remember, your store is the face of the brand, even if you're not the one physically handling the products. So, is AliDropship worth it? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. AliDropship can be a decent option for absolute beginners who want to test the waters of e-commerce with minimal upfront investment. The pre-built stores and product sourcing from AliExpress offer a convenient starting point. However, keep in mind the limitations. Generic store designs, potential for high ongoing costs, and the inherent challenges of dropshipping itself. If you're serious about building a sustainable online business, AliDropship might not be the magic bullet. Consider investing time in learning how to build a unique brand, source high-quality products directly from suppliers, and implement effective marketing strategies. Remember, Long-term success in e-commerce hinges on building trust and customer loyalty, something that's difficult to achieve with generic products and limited control over the customer experience.